Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about the Greater Infrastructure Development Program, the GIDP. Now this was a program to upgrade major roads in Jamaica, to build bypasses and upgrade these roads. Now back in 2017, around that time, the government finished the Infrastructure Development Program, the NIDP, which was a very successful road program to renovate roads in Jamaica. Now, so they announced the GIDP as the follow-up to the MIDP, and under the GIDP, a lot of roads were going to be renovated and bypasses built. So we're just going to give you update or tell you basically what the GIDP is, and then we talk about it after. So just to give you a quick summary, the MIDP was one of the most successful road programs in Jamaica. These include the roads that were done under the MIDP include the Hagley Park Road, which was the government spent $56 million on the Hagley Park Road Improvement Project, US $1.1 million on the Barbican Road Upgrade Project, US $19 million on the Constant Spring Road Improvement Project, US $64 million on the Mandela Highway Realignment and Reconstruction Project, and US $24.9 million on the Ferris Cross, the Macfield Main Road. So we have videos up on all these roads during construction and when they're finished, so you can check it out. So this MIDP program worked very well. So the government announced back in 2020 that they had signed a memorandum of understanding with China Harbour Engineering Company to do the GIDP program. So we're going to just give you some information on the GIDP program. To further reduce congestion and improve travel times, several areas across the island are slated to benefit from the construction of bypasses and road improvement works under the government's new Greater Infrastructure Development Program, GIDP. This was disclosed by Prime Minister the Most Honorable Andrew Holness during his contribution to the 2020-21 budget debate in the House of Representatives. He noted, for instance, that the government is in the process of developing a bypass for Port Antonio, which is very congested and it is limited in its growth by virtue of that congestion. The Prime Minister noted that there are also plans for bypasses for Lucy and Hopewell in Hanover, Long Hill, Anchovy in St. James, as well as Annotto Bay and Porta Maria in St. Mary. In addition, the program will see the extension of the Mandela Highway improvement works from the east-west toll road ramp to the Old Harbour roundabout. There will also be improvements to Spanish Town Road from 6 miles to 3 miles and from 3 miles to Darling Street. We are going to do Lady Musgrave to East King's House Road, that is always a congested area, and we're doing an extension to Dunrobin, he said. The Prime Minister noted, however, that the GIDP is not just a roadworks program, but a true integrated infrastructure program incorporating road development, water and wastewater, drainage, bridges, sidewalks, street lighting, telecommunications, and sensors. These projects are nation-building projects, meaning that when you put them down, the capacity of your country will be expanded. So you're opening up new areas for development. You're reducing traffic congestion. You're improving resilience. So these are major projects, and more than likely they will transition through constituencies, he noted. The GIDP will be the successor program to the Major Infrastructure Development Program, which is scheduled to end in March 2021. Several multi-billion-dollar legacy road infrastructure upgrade projects aimed at improving traffic flow in the corporate area and Westmoreland were undertaken by the National Works Agency under MIDP. These include the US $56 million Hagley Park Road Improvement Project, the US $1.1 million Barbican Road Upgrade Project, the US $19 million Constant Spring Road Improvement Project, the US $64 million Mandela Highway Realignment and Reconstruction Project, and the US $24.9 million Ferris Cross to Macfield Project. In the meantime, Prime Minister Holness said now that major works on the road projects on the MIDP are substantially complete, most Jamaicans agree that it was a worthwhile initiative and indeed worth the inconvenience. Months of disruption have come to an end and we can see the value in these projects. We have, of course, taken public feedback very seriously and we have sought to ensure that the agency understands the importance of coordinating its signage and communication with the public as a fundamental part of its planning and implementation so that the negative public experiences, which we truly regret, should be minimized in future major projects, he said. Alright, so that's the end of the article on the GIDP, but it's definitely a major road project and it's something that's needed. Bypasses are needed for the towns that they had mentioned. Now, we haven't really gotten any updates on this project, as some other roads under this project have started or are scheduled to start under other project names. For instance, the Lady Musgrave Road is now under the CAPEX program, and the Long Hill bypass is now being done under the Montego Bay Perimeter Road project. That one has actually started. So we'll keep you guys updated on the GIDP project because although some roads are being done on the other projects, the GIDP is still a major project that we need to get going. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us today. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.